how to transfer Solana from Bybit to Phantom wallet. So that is the tutorial that we are going to be having today. So the first thing you have to do is to come over to your assets. So if you come over to your assets right here, the next thing you have to do is to click on withdraw. So after clicking on withdraw, then you choose Solana. I believe you must have swapped possibly your USDT to Solana. So all you just have to do is to click on Solana right here. So after clicking on Solana, you then head over to your Phantom because you are going to be getting your address, which you are going to be pasting here. So I'll head over to my Phantom wallet right here, and then I'm going to search for Solana. Just scroll down, so you can see Solana right over here. I'll just click on Solana, and then I'm going to click on receive. So after clicking on receive, I'll just go ahead to click on copy here, and after copying the address, I will head over to my Bybit again and paste the address here. After pasting the address, I'll then select a network, which is Solana, and I'll put in the amount that I want to send, the amount of Solana. So I'll just put maximum here. So if I put maximum here, you can see the withdrawal fee, which is 0.008 Solana, and this is what I'm going to be receiving. Okay, so all I'll just have to do right here is just to click on withdraw. Okay, all right, so it is asking right over here, no verification needed for this address. Next time I'll just check this box, and after checking this box, I'll click on confirm. All right, so there will be a security verification. They are going to send a code to my email and also my Google Authenticator. I'm going to get a code there, and then I'm going to paste it, and then I'll click on confirm. So after putting this code, I'll just go ahead to click on confirm. Okay, it says over here submitted successfully, withdrawal application submitted. So you just have to know that the Solana blockchain system is very saturated. So you are going to be expecting your Solana to reflect within 2 to 5 hours. Yes, it takes as long as that. So make sure you're just going to be patient then till it reflects. So if you gain value from this video, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't. Stay blessed, and see you in my next video.